Hi everyone, I Shurujit welcome you all on Economatrix Dey channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 7 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास।
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now today class 7 students, we are again going to continue with chapter 9, lines and angles, and today's part is part 3. Those who have not watched the previous part, I have shared the link at the end of the video, so do watch those parts, that is part 1 introduction and part 2, and then you watch this one. Then what will happen, the concept will be more clearer and these sums you can solve more easily. Okay, and today we are going to solve exercise 9.1 question number 5. Till question number 4 we finished in our previous part. Okay, and today's part is once again today's part is what? Part 3. Okay, now see what they are telling. Identify two linear pairs and two pairs of vertically opposite angles. That means you have to identify two linear pairs and you have to identify two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So these two terms are totally new, linear pair and vertically opposite angles. So first let us know, before solving this one, let us know little bit about the concept of linear pairs. So what is a linear pair? Okay, a pair of adjacent angles. That means we have already studied adjacent angles. So adjacent angle, what was the definition? It will have a common vertex. So this is the common vertex. Okay, suppose let us take O. Okay, and then from this common vertex, like this way, ray will come out. Okay, and if I write A, okay, this one B and this one C, then we have the common vertex. Okay, and this is the common arm. Okay, and this is the non-common arms. Okay, so that was what? That was what? Adjacent angles. So these two angles is said to be adjacent. Why? Because they have a common vertex, number 1. Number 2, they have a common arm, and number 3, they have non-common arms, okay, opposite to the common arm. Understanding or no? So that was about adjacent angles. Okay, now what they are telling, a pair of adjacent angles is said to form a linear pair. That means adjacent angle will form linear pair when it will satisfy these two criteria. What are those two criteria? Number 1, non-common arms are opposite rays. So this is the non-common arm, this is the non-common arm. Are they opposite? No. Okay, this arm is on this side, this is on this. They are not opposite. There has to be opposite rays. So if this is going this side, then opposite should be on this side. So if I change the diagram, see nicely, if I change this diagram, this OA, if I bring it on this side like this way, clear no? And write it here A. Okay, now see this is a non-common arm, this is also a non-common arm. Okay, so this OA is just opposite of OB. And what? The second criteria, the angles are supplementary. So now also you are getting adjacent angle, but the sum of these two angles, this angle and this angle, is equal to 180 degree. What angle? Angle AOC, angle AOC plus angle what? BOC, BOC equal to 180 degree. That means the two angles, these two angles are adjacent angles. Yes. Why? They have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and they have non-common arms also. So it is a adjacent angle. These two are adjacent to each other. Okay, so these two are adjacent angles, but they are also making the total of these two angles is what? It is 180 degree. So since the total of these two is 180 degree and both the non-common arms are opposite to each other, or the non-common rays are opposite to each other, so that's why this adjacent angle is also known as linear pair. Clear? That means linear pair has to be 180 degree. This concept must be there. Linear pair has to be 180 degree. Clear? Now we are going to understand the concept of vertically opposite angles. So what is vertically opposite angles? When two lines intersect each other. So two lines, if I want to draw one picture, okay, like this way. So this is one line and this is another line. So this is AB, suppose, and this is CD, and they are intersecting at this point O. Okay, so two lines intersect each other at point O. Then each pair of angles formed without any common arm is called vertically opposite angle. How? Now suppose see this one, if I give the name angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this one is angle 4. Now 1 or 2, they are known as adjacent angle. They are also, you can see, if I put my hand here, 1 and 2 is also 1 plus angle 2 is also 180 degree. Okay, so it is what? Adjacent angle as well as linear pair. Clear? No? It is adjacent angle as well as linear pair. Again 2 and 3, they are what? Adjacent angle as well as linear pair, because they have a common arm. But here they are telling without any common arm. You cannot take common arm. So if you take this one, then another will be 3. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. And angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. So these are vertically opposite angles. So two vertically opposite, see opposite. So vertically opposite is which one? 4. Angle 1 vertically opposite is what? Angle 3. See nicely, without any common arm. If you take 1 or 2, then there will be common arm. OA will be the common arm. Okay, so you cannot take 2. So if you don't take the 2, the next one is what? 3. So 1 or 3 without any common arm, and they are called what? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, each pair of angles. So this one and this one, they are called vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So 1 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Suppose if we say that this one is 120 degree, then this also will be 120 degree. Okay, got my point or no? And if this is 60 degree, then this also will be 60 degree. Understanding or no? Now you see here 120, here 60, so 180. Again 60 or 120, 180. So 180 is what? 360. And you can see it is a circle. A circle means a complete circle. So a complete angle it is forming, and complete angle is what? 360 degree. So I hope you have understood the concept of vertically opposite angles as well as the linear pair. And when you understand linear pair, that means you are understanding the adjacent angles also, because linear pair is a part of the adjacent angle. Okay, so all the adjacent angles are not linear pair. Okay, but all the linear pairs are what? Adjacent angle. Now we will try to solve this sum. Now what it is telling? To find out two linear pairs. So from here I will find out the linear pairs. So you can see here linear pair has to be 180 degree. I will cover this one. So here it is what? 1 or 5. It is forming a linear pair. So what I will write? Angle 1 comma angle 5. Clear now? So this is one pair, angle 1 or angle 5. And then another one, if I put my hand here, so what it is? 4 and 5, and 4 angle 4 comma angle 5 are two linear pairs. So this is the answer. Okay, now they are asking what? Two pairs of vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angle, first you forget about this part. Okay, now you can see 1 or 4, they are vertically opposite angle. So what I can write? Angle 1 comma angle 4, they are one pair of vertically opposite angle. And then another one, if you see nicely, so angle 5, okay, forget about angle 1 and angle 4, then what you can see? Angle 5 is vertically opposite to which one? Angle 2 and angle 3 together. So what I can say, and angle 5 comma angle 2 plus angle 3, this one together, angle 5 vertically opposite to 2 plus 3, angle 3, are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Clear? So see nicely, angle 1 or 4 is vertically opposite. Now remaining is what? 2 or 3 together is vertically opposite to angle 5. I hope question number 5 you have understood. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Answer the following questions by studying the figure. So 9.14. So you have to study this figure and answer these questions. Okay. So first question, is angle AOB adjacent to angle BOC? So AOB. So let me find out where is AOB. AOB. So this one is AOB adjacent to BOC. So let us find out BOC. So this is BOC. So you can see, yes, these two are adjacent because they have a common arm and one common vertex is O, and the non-common arm is what? OA or OC. So what I will say here, yes. Clear? Understanding or no? Now number B. So for B I will rub this one. Okay. Now next, is angle AOC adjacent to AOE? So again asking adjacent. AOC. So AOC, that means they are taking total, this one AOC. Adjacent to what? AOE. AOE. So AOE is this one. Yes, this is also adjacent. Why? You see, OA is the common arm and OC or OE is the non-common arm and O is the common vertex. So we will write here yes. Okay. So we will write yes. Clear? No? Now after that number C, for that I will rub this one so that we can understand nicely, because the concept is very important. Do COE and EOF form a linear pair? So linear pair has to be 180 degree, these two together. So COE. So where is C? C is here. COE. So let us do COE. That means this one from here to here. COE. And then what? EOF. EOF. Yes, EOF. So they have a common vertex O, and you can see this is the common arm OE, and the non-common arms OC or OF, they are opposite. They are opposite rays. So yes, we will say it is forming a linear pair because it is becoming what? 180 degree. If you see nicely, it is becoming, this angle and this angle is becoming 180 degree. You cover your picture with a copy or a book and you see it is becoming 180 degree. Clear? Now number D. Are angle BOD and BOA supplementary? Now what is this supplementary? I already have told you, supplementary means it has to be 180 degree. So BOD, let us find out BOD. BOD. So BOD is this one, BOD. And then what? BOA. BOA is which one? This one. So this angle and this angle, they are becoming 180 degree. Why? You can see, if you see from here to here, it is looking like a protector, and a protector has what? 180 degree. Or supplementary angle is also called linear pair also. See here, forget about OC. Only you see this angle, okay, and this angle. Then they have a common vertex, this one. Common arm is OB and the non-common arm is OD or OA. And OD and OA, they are opposite rays. So yes, we will say this also yes. Clear? No? Now next one. Is angle COD vertically opposite to angle AOF? So for that, we will again rub this part. We are now going with the next question. So they are talking about vertically opposite COD. So where is COD? COD. So that means this angle, COD. Vertically opposite to AOF. AOF. So AOF. Clear? So for that you cover this line and you cover this line also. So yes, it is vertically opposite. So what I will say this one, yes. Now the last one, F. What is the vertically opposite angle of AOC? So now let me rub this one. Okay. Now AOC. AOC. So they are talking about this one, AOC. So AOC, vertically opposite will be which one? So when you are seeing AOC, then you don't see this one. OB you don't see. And you don't see OE also. Okay. Now you can see two lines are intersecting. Okay. Which are two lines? AD and another one is CF. Forget about this line. Forget about this line. So they are talking about AOC. So AOC vertically opposite will be what? This one it will be. Clear or no? So what is the name of this angle? DOF. So the answer for this one will be, angle DOF. Clear or no? So I hope question number 6 you have understood. Now students, those who are new in my channel, if you like this video, if you like my channel, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends, classmates and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you all. And don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you are going to get the notifications first. Now we will move on to the next question. Now we will solve question number 7. So what it is telling, find the value of x in the following figures. So you have to find out the value of x. So let us take this one. So this is the diagram, and here you have to find out what is the value of this x. Okay. So you can see two lines are intersecting. Then these two lines are what? Vertically opposite to each other. So how you will start? You can do in very shortcut way also. So this one, x equal to, okay, x equal to what? 32 degree. And you can write what? Vertically, okay, opposite angles equal. Okay. So this is one way of doing. Another way of doing is what? You can, this is one way. Another alternative way also I am showing you. Okay. Which is, which looks more better. So this one you can write here O. Okay. Now what you can do, you can write, see these two lines are intersecting at the point of, at the point O. So what is the name of this angle? Angle POR, and this one QOS. So what I can write, angle QOS equal to angle POR. Okay. Why? The reason, same reason. So this reason also you can write in short. What? Op angles equal. Okay. Vertically opposite angles equal. So it is very big one. So you will write what? Op angles equal. Okay. Now QOS is actually what? X. And POR is actually what? 32. So like this also you can do the sum. Okay. Answer. Now it's up to you. You want to do in one line or you want to do in two lines. Okay. Same way, suppose let us see this one. Answer. So we have to find out x. See, two lines are intersecting at this point. So what we can do? This angle and this angle together, it is what? 180 degree. Why? They are forming one linear pair. Can you see or no? OA, or from here to here, O is not written. So from here to here, it is OA, and that is the common arm. Or OD or OC is the non-common arm, and they are forming how much degree? 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. So one way is what? How to do it? Now 43 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, and you can write what is the reason? Reason you have to write linear pair. Okay. And then only x will be what? 180 degree minus 43 degree. 180 degree, this 43 goes that side. So what you get? X equal to, you have to subtract. So 180 and 43. So you cut 7, 10. So it will become 7. And 7 minus 4 is what? 3. So what it comes? 137 degree. Clear or no? And you can write here answer. Clear? Alternative way also you can do. You can put here O, okay, and then you can write angle AOC. Alternative way also I am showing you alternative way, okay. Angle AOC plus angle AOD. You write here O that time, okay, equal to 180 degree. And then what? Linear, this is what? Linear pair, okay. And then after that you can write here 43 plus what? X equal to 180 degree, and then x equal to 180 minus 43. So what you get? X equal to 137 degree, and this is the answer. Clear? Now we will come to question number C of sum number 7. So this is the diagram and you have to find out x. So if you see nicely, this angle and this angle, forget about this one. These two angles together, it is what? 180 degree. Why? They are making what? Linear pair. So see here, this is the common arm, and this one OR or OT is what? Non-common arm, and O is the common vertex. So what I can write? I can write this angle name is what? POT, angle POT plus, and this angle name is what? POR, angle POR equal to 180 degree. And what I can write? Since linear pair. So this reason, geometrical sums, you have to write the reason, otherwise the teacher will cut marks. Clear? So this reason is very important, and to know the reason, what reason, you have to know the concept. That's why whenever I am teaching you a new sum, if the concept is new, I am teaching you the concept also, okay, the new terms I am teaching you. So now POT is what? 83 degree plus POR is what? 6x plus 19 equal to 180 degree. Now what you can do? You can write 6x plus, now 83 and 19. So how much comes? You can do a rough 83 and 19. So 9 plus 3, 12, 1. So 8, 9, 10. So what you get? 102 degree equal to 180. Okay. Now 6x equal to 180 degree minus 102 degree. So now you can subtract 180 minus 102. So it will be 78 degree. Now the last step, x equal to 78 degree by 6. You can cancel 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 1 extra 18. So 6 threes are 18. So what you get? X equal to 13 degree, and this is the answer. If you cannot do, you can do a rough here. 78, 6 ones are 6, 1, 18. Now 6 threes are 18. So you are getting it. X equal to 13 degree. Now this diagram, number D, you can see the diagram, but if you see nicely, this one and this one, they are what type of angles? They are vertically opposite angles. So when you are thinking that they are vertically opposite angles, then you have to cover this one, this line OF, okay, and you have to cover this one. Clear? No? You have to cover the line. When you are understanding that these two are vertically opposite angles, that time you have to cover this line. Which line? This line. This line means here, let me write O. So OF and OC you have to cover. OF is not their thing and OC is not there. Then you can see easily that AD or BE, they are two lines intersecting each other. So this angle, which angle? If I want to do the answer, angle AOB, AOB, and this angle is what? Equal to angle DOE. What is the reason? Since, okay, what of angles are equal, or simply you can write equal also. Now angle AOB is what? 3x plus 2, and DOE is what? 62 degree. Clear? Now 3x equal to 62 minus 2. So what you get? 3x equal to 60 degree. Now x will be what? 60 degree divided by 3. So if you cut, you will get 20 degree. See, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6, 0. So 20 degree. And this is the answer. Now we have come to the last sum of this exercise 9.1. In the figure, find x, y and z. So here you can see x, we have to find out how much, z you have to find out, and y also you have to find out. So you can find out serially also, x first, then y, then z, or y, z. So it is all up to you. So how I will find out? Okay, let me find out z first. Why? Because you covered this one. So you can see z plus 30, this angle and this angle together, it is a linear pair. So what I can write if I want to do the answer here? So z and 30. So z plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. Why? I can write here, since linear pair. Okay. So you can see I am using the concept of linear pair. So now z equal to what? 180 degree minus 30 degree. So what you get? Z equal to 150 degree. So you got it. You can write here the answer. Okay. Here only you can write the answer, or at last also you can write the answer. Now next I will find out y. Now to see y, you don't see this part. Okay. Now you see two lines are intersecting at this point. So y and this 30 degree, they are vertically opposite angle. So another paragraph. So again, okay, I am making another new paragraph. Okay, y equal to 30 degree. Directly. Why? Because since vertically, so vert op angles equal. Clear? And you got the answer. Got it? Now I will find out angle x. So to find out angle x, I will cover this one. So what you can see x, you can see y, and you can see here one box. So what is the meaning of this box? This box means it is 90 degree. Clear or no? So I can write now another paragraph I am making. Okay. Now x plus, so this is how much degree? 90 degree. So 90 degree plus, and this one is y. So y equal to, okay, what I can write? 180 degree. Can you see or no? So like this I can do x plus this one and this one. Now here what we will write? Here to three angles. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here we cannot write linear pair. Pair means two only. So here what we will write? It is a straight line. Clear? Which one is a straight line? This one is a straight line. So here we cannot write linear pair. We have to write what? Straight line. And straight line means only 180 degree. So what I will write here? Since straight line. Clear? No, it is a straight line. Clear? If you draw one straight line, okay, so straight line, the angle is what? 180 degree. If you see from this side also, it is 180 degree. And what is the name of the straight line? No need, because here no name is given. If you want to give name, I told you alternative way, you can write this one A, B, C, D, E. That time you can to give the name. Okay. So now x plus, okay, now 90 degree. Now y is how much? 30 degree equal to 180 degree. So now x plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. Now x equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So what you are getting? X equal to 60 degree. And this is the answer. Clear or no? So like this you can write the answer. Or if you don't want to write, you can write after that. Therefore, x equal to 60 degree, y is equal to 30 degree, and z equal to how much? 150 degree. And then you can write this one as answer. So I hope exercise 9.1, all the sums you have understood nicely. So now it's your duty to practice nicely so that you can do in the exam correctly. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय।